this video, I will show you how to create a desktop shortcut on Mac. So we're going to open our Safari browser, and from Safari browser, go to the website or URL that you want a shortcut for. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how this works for YouTube. So we have the YouTube website opened, as you can see. And to add a desktop, I'm going to click on File in the Apple section at the top. And I don't have it recorded right now, but it will say File. So click on that. And here you will have diverse options. And the option you need to select is Add to Dock. So let's go ahead and click on this. And right now we can add this to Dock. We can give it a name and we can make sure that the URL is right. So go ahead and change whatever URL or website you have selected to a name that you want to give it and make sure that the URL is right. Go ahead and click on Add. And right now we have our desktop shortcut created. So when we go to Launchpad, we will see that our shortcut is created, and you can do this basically with almost any website. Just do this from your Safari and then it will work. And it will also be visible in our dock right now down below. And if you want to open the app, we can just basically click on this. And now you will see that this is no standard Safari tab. You cannot change the URL. So as you can see, it is really a shortcut because it only says YouTube in my case. And based on whatever you are creating it for, it will be especially for the shortcut you created. So for my dock, I can just basically click on YouTube and I can close it. And I can basically do everything I can just like an app. So this is how you create a desktop shortcut on Mac. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.